Hello, my lovely ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so that our family can continue to grow. If you are new, if this is your first time in my channel, hi, hello. My name is Angela, and I really hope you enjoy this video and stay with our family. So, today, I am very excited for this video because I am going to be doing an updated what's in my bag video. So today, a year ago, I uploaded my first video of what's in my bag, but I uploaded it in Spanish. So this time around, I'm gonna upload it in English. So I don't know if you are curious about what's in other people's bags, but I sure am. I love to watch these because you also get some ideas of maybe how to organize your purse or maybe things you want to buy for your purse. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to watch till the end. And well, what can I tell you? Let's get started. Woo! And well, in the video that I did do in Spanish of what's in my purse, I did mention that I did not like big purses. But y'all know people evolve, people change, people grow. And well, now I'm going to show y'all my purse. My purse is not small. My purse is a very big purse. I don't know if you can see it, but it is a simple black purse. And I wanted it black because I felt like it would match every single outfit because I'm not one of those people that switch bags, you know, a lot. I used to, but now I'm not. I just like everything to be in one bag, and I use one bag and use that bag till I can't no more. So I did get this bag, and I'm going to tell you that I did not get this bag at the original retail price because I got this bag as soon as the quarantine had sort of lifted up. So as soon as COVID hit and then like the state became a little shut down, you know, some stores did close. But a couple weeks after, they started to open up. So I had the bright idea to log into the Michael Kors website, and well, luckily I did find the purses that were on a discount. So I'm assuming it was, you know, because of COVID, their store was probably impacted. I mean, I honestly have no idea, but I feel like maybe something like that happened. And because that happened, I was actually able to get this purse at a discount, in my opinion, because I'm pretty sure this purse costs a little bit over $200, and I got it a little bit over $100. So I could say I probably saved like $100, but I'm honestly not 100% sure. I do not know the retail price of the purse. I just know that I did get it on a discount. If I find it on the Michael Kors website, I can leave a link down below so y'all can go check it out. But anyways, this is my purse. It is big, y'all. It is big. It's very simple. Like I said, it has this one pocket in the front, which I honestly do not use. I have no idea why I don't, but I don't use it. I don't use it. And then in the inside, it has the inner part, and then it has two openings on the side. So in this middle part that actually has a zipper so you can close, on that middle part, you know, I keep the most important things. But to begin this purse, what's in my purse, I'm going to start with like the side pockets that are open that don't have a zipper. So in the first one, I do have my planner, and it is very big. It's a notebook, y'all. It's technically a notebook, but it's a planner, but I love it. I love my little planner. I actually got this planner at Walmart, so y'all go check them out. They have some beautiful, beautiful planners, and I just love big planners because I don't know, I love big planners, and then I love the color, so I was like, oh, I want it, and I got it. So this is my planner. This is what I have in my purse. And then in one of the little side pockets of the purse, I also carry pens and a pencil, which is not sharpened, but I do carry it. And then I do have my headphones, and these are the ones that you actually plug, as you can tell. And then I do have one of these little not outlets, but I do have one of these. I can't remember what they're called, but I do carry this. And I also have my Carmex chapstick because my lips do get chapped a lot. So I need to stay, you know, my lips with some Carmex because we don't want them cracked. Because then they start bleeding, y'all. My lips sometimes when they're so chapped, they crack and then they start bleeding and it hurts, and I don't like that. That's an uncomfortable feeling, so I do make sure to keep my lips moisturized, okay? And then I also do have 2 Starbucks cards, woohoo, which I did get for my birthday, which was the 21st of February. So my dad gave me a $50 Starbucks card, and then I had a friend that gave me a $15 card. And I also have this picture of me. This was the younger me, y'all. That was the younger me, and this is the me now. But I do have this in that little pocket on the side. Now, I also have on the pockets on the side, I do have my badge. This is not the badge I use at work, but it is one of the old badges I did have at my job. But I do carry it there. I don't know why I have it, because it's old and it doesn't work anymore. So, yay me. Now, I'm going to go to the other pocket, to this other pocket that is open as well. So, I'm going to go to that one now. So, on this side, I do have this little sunglass carrier. But in this one, I don't carry my sunglasses. What I carry in this one are the little cloths you use to clean the sunglasses or, you know, any type of glass. So I do have that in here just because, you know, so that I wouldn't be moving everywhere in my purse. And then I also have this little case for my sunglasses, y'all. I love sunglasses. These are my favorite. Well, these are one of my favorite because I actually have another pair that is my favorite. But this one is one of my favorite sunglasses. I love them, y'all. How do I look? But I love these. So I have them there. And then I just put them in the little bag. So I do have this, and then I also have another sunglass. Oh my god, y'all, this is also one of my favorite sunglasses, and I got these from Lulux Frames. Y'all, look at this. Look at this beauty. Who is she? But yes, I love this. I love these sunglasses. So I carry my 2 favorite sunglasses in my purse. And they're black, so they match everything. And then I also have some Kleenex, because y'all, we can never go wrong with Kleenex. Sometimes a little tear comes out, or maybe our little boogers comes out, and we need to clean them. So it's important to have your Kleenex. I also have a pack of gum, because these are very handy at all times. I also have a lot of it's not very sanitary, y'all. I know. But I do have some masks in my purse. In any case, that I need my mask. Because, you know, right now, that is something very important in our life. So, in my bag, I also have this other little bag. And it's black. And it has these little, I don't know what they're called, but they feel good. And then on this side, it has some red details. I actually got this one in one of my Ipsy bags of when I got them before. They used to send these little bags. I didn't have the box then, so that's why they would send small sample products in these little bags. But now I get the box, so I get the full-size products. But in this little bag, it's like the emergency bag. So here I do carry a little toallita femenina. I do carry that. I carry a little small perfume. I also carry, you know, the emergency deodorant in case you forgot to put it. And I have a little another perfume as well, but this one is a little bit more stronger than this one. It is totally less strong than this one. I also carry an eyelash curler right here. In any case that my eyelashes need to get curled, you know. And I also have some Advil, which it's empty, so I need to refill it. I need to stock it up. And let's see what else. So I have a mascara right here. And then I carry a USB. I don't know why I carry a USB drive in here, but I do. It's in here. But let's see. That is all. That is all I carry. So this right here, like I said, is kind of like the emergency little bag. Because, you know, sometimes our head hurts. Sometimes we didn't write the date of when we started our menstrual cycle correctly. And maybe it came a little early, or I don't know. Things happen, you know, in life. So I think it's very important to carry this in your bag. So I do carry that in my bag. Now, in the middle part of my bag, I do carry, like I said, the most important things. And I do carry this. This is my actual wallet. In here, I have, you know, my cards, my driver's license, and all of that good stuff. So that's in here. And this bag is actually a little Coach wallet. So actually, I got this Coach wallet for my birthday, I think like 2 years ago. And I love it. It's so pretty. This little bag is my change bag. So I do carry like loose change in this bag. So I do have that. Then I also have an Ulta gift card that I also got for my birthday. It's a $50 gift card. So shout out to my Goonies, because he's the one that got it for me. And then here I also carry a portable charger, but this one doesn't really work with my iPhone. It used to work with my Android, but now I need to get a new little outlet right here so that it can charge my iPhone, because it doesn't charge my iPhone now. But that's simple. We can always get a little piece to make it charge. And then here I do carry my badge and then my office keys. So this is my little work badge that I use to get into my job. I also have another mask. This is the one I use. And then I have my car keys. Y'all, I got my car keys, and look, I got a little surfing board. And I have an M right here, which is so cute, y'all. My sister made these, and they are adorable. And then last but not least, I do carry a little clip, you know, in any case that we need to pin our hair up, or that it's in our way, you know, we can't see and we need to put it up. We can have it there for some security purposes to put our hair up. But that is it. That is all I have in this gigantic purse. That is all I have. Like I said, I certainly got this bag at a very great price, at a very great deal. And I love it, y'all. It's my favorite. I love it. It's my pride and joy, because, you know, it's not that they're super expensive, but they're also not cheap, you know? But I loved my purse, and I am thinking of getting a small one, but that's in the future, one day. I don't know when, but I do want a small purse. But I also want it black. So we'll see what we're going to do in the future. Or maybe I want another type of purse, you know, a Louis Vuitton. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I would have to save for that one a lot more. But anyways, this is all I had in my purse. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that our family can continue to grow. And I will have this makeup look, if you are curious about it, up very soon. So just subscribe and click that little bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a next video. And well, what can I tell y'all? Thank you so much for being here today, for listening to me. And well, I will see you in the next video. Bye.